Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, I'm going to solve a question from exercise 4.1 quadratic equation chapter 4 from NCERT class 10 NCERT book. So this is a continuation of the last video. In the last video, we saw question number 1. So we solved eight questions in that. Okay. And this one, we're going to solve question number 2. The question is, represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equations. So this one is a word problem. Okay. Now we'll have to represent this given word problem into a quadratic equation form. Let's start with the first one. The first one is the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. Okay. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So in this question, we are not going to find what is the length and breadth. We are just going to form a quadratic equation. Okay. So now let's first write what is given in this question. So what is given is, we have given us the area of the rectangular plot. So given area is equal to 528 meters square. And the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So they have not given us the direct dimensions of L and B. Okay, so we will keep the length as L and breadth as B. This one as L and this one as B. Now, what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle formula will be L into B, that is L times B. So L times B is equal to 528. Now, what is given? The length of the plot is 1 more than. So what is length? So length is given in relation with the breadth. So length of the plot is equal to 1 more than. So that means 1 more than. So it's more. Okay, so we'll have to put an addition symbol. So 1 more than twice its breadth. So that means 2 times B. That's all. Okay, so now length is equal to 1 plus 2B. So in the place of L, we will write it as 1 plus 2B times, there is B again, which is equal to 528. Okay, again I'll explain you. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Okay, so which means the length here is, length is equal to 1 more. So 1 plus it is more. Okay, so there's an addition symbol here. So 1 more than twice. So twice is, that is 2 times the breadth. So 2 into B. So now in the place of L, just write 1 plus 2B into B. Now let's remove the bracket. So 1 into B will be B plus 2B into B will be 2B square, which is equal to 528. Okay. Now again, we'll put this one into a standard equation form. What is the standard equation of the quadratic standard equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So basically, first we should have x square term, then x, then a constant term. So let's rearrange this one. So we'll have first b square, then b, then bring the constant on the side. So minus 528 is equal to 0. So now this is a required quadratic equation for this question. Okay, clear? Now let's move on to the second question. What is the second question? The product of the two consecutive positive integer is 306. Okay, we need to find the integers. So this one we're not going to find the integers. We'll just form the equation for this one. Okay, the question is, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. Okay, now what we will do is, okay, so this is a product. So when you multiply two positive consecutive integers, it is 306. So first let the first positive, let the first integer be x. Okay, so let's the first integer be x. Now what will be the next consecutive integer? So the consecutive next integer will be x plus 1. Okay, so the next consecutive integer will be, for x will be x plus 1. Okay, so let the first integer be x. So the next consecutive integer will be x plus 1. Now what is given in the question? Given is the product of the two consecutive integers. So that means we'll have to multiply. So x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Okay. Now let's remove the bracket now. So x into x will become x square. X into 1 will become x, which is equal to 306. Okay. Now let's rearrange to standard form. So x square plus x minus 306. is equal to 0. So now this is a required quadratic equation for question number 2. Okay, now let's move on to the third question. So third question is an age question. Now third question. What is third question? Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay, so Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now, will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's percentage. So as usual, you're not going to find the percentage of Rohan or nor his mother. We will just form the equation for this question. Okay, now how to form the equation? So what is given? So whenever you have a word problem, the best thing what we can do is we'll always form a tabular form. First we will write what is given. So Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So let Rohan's age be X. So let Rohan's age, Rohan's percentage, we'll give Rohan's percentage. Let Rohan's percentage be X, okay, X years. Okay, now then what will be his mother's age? His mother's age will be then Rohan's mother's age will be Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So meaning it will be X plus 26. That is, she is 26 years more than Rohan. So that will be X plus 26 years. So now these are the percentages. Okay. Now I will just put a tabular form for us so that it's easy for us to, it's easy for us to actually calculate. So first we will write, this is Rohan. Again, this is Rohan's mother. Okay. Now we have present age here. Okay. Now this is the age after 3 years. Okay. Now age after 3 years. Okay. So now Rohan's present age is actually X and Rohan's mother age is X plus 26. So now after 3 years, now what will be the age after 3 years? The product of their ages at 3 years from now will be, so we'll have to find what is the age after 3 years. So after 3 years, Rohan's age will be increased by 3. So from the current age. So that will be X plus 3 years. Okay. So similarly, this is the percentage of the mother. So after 3 years, it will be X plus 26 plus 3. So when you solve, this will be X plus 29. Okay, one more time I want to explain. So Rohan's percentage will be X, okay? And Rohan mother's percentage will be X plus 26. Now what is age after 3 years? After 3 years, his age will increase by 3 more years. So that will be X plus 3. And what is the percentage? What will be the age after 3 years for his mom? That will be, you'll have to add 3 for the percentage. The percentage of the mom will be X plus 26. So X plus 26 plus 3. So which is nothing but X plus 29. Okay, clear? Now using this table, we will form the equation so that we don't make any mistakes in forming the equation. Now, what is the age given now? So they've given us the product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So 3 years from now, what is their age? Age of Rohan will be X plus 3 and age of his mother will be X plus 29. So the product is we'll have to multiply. So X plus 3 into X plus 29 is equal to 360. Okay, now let's solve this one. So X into X will become, so X into X plus 29. Then plus 3 into X plus 29, which is equal to 360. Okay, so X into X will become X square. 29 into X will become 29X. 3 into X will become 3X. 3 into 29 will become 27, carry 2, 6, 7, 8. It will become 87. This is equal to 360. Now let's combine the like terms. x square plus what is 29 plus 3? 29 plus 3 will be 32. So 32x plus 87. Bring the constant term this side. So minus 360 will be equal to 0. Now again x square plus 32x plus what is 360 minus 87. So this will be 3, will be 5, 2, this will be 7, this will be 2, so 273. So it will be minus within, okay, because 360 is bigger, right? So 87 minus 360 will be minus 273, which is equal to 0. So now this is a required quadratic equation for this question. I hope this is clear for you. Again, I'm going to explain you only this age question one more time. So what is given? Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay. Product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So let the Rohan present age be x. So then his mother's age will be x plus 26 because she is 26 years more than him. So that will be x plus 26. Now what will be the age after 3 years? So if x present age is x, that means it will be 3 years more. So that we have to add. So x plus 3 will be the age after 3 years. And what will be this mother's age after 3 years? So the present age is x plus 26. So add 3 to it. So x plus 26 plus 3 will become x plus 29. Okay. Now using this table, try to form an equation. What it is given? So after 3 years, the product of the ages is equal to 360. So after 3 years, Rohan's age will be x plus 3 and Rohan's mother's age will be x plus 29. So x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. Now do distributive property and remove the brackets and solve it. We will get the required equation. Fine. I hope it is clear. Okay, question number 4. Okay, question number 4 we'll continue in the next video. I hope this is very clear and easy to understand. I hope this video is useful to you. If it is useful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Until take care. Bye bye.